If you want to maintain your privacy while using Airb, hiding your online status can be a useful feature. Follow these steps to adjust your settings accordingly. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Airb website or app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile picture or icon in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Go to Privacy Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Privacy Settings section. This is where you can manage your online visibility and other privacy-related options. Step 4. Adjust online status. Find the option related to your online status or visibility. Toggle the setting to hide your online status from other users. Step 5. Save changes. After making your adjustments, ensure you save the changes. Look for a Save button or confirmation prompt to finalize your settings. By following these steps, you can effectively hide your online status on Airbnb, allowing for a more private experience while using the platform.